Just no, I don't think we've had pot paint this morning, Alan. Well, what shall we do? Well, I don't know, we just have to throw some on there. Just get some blue and throw some on. Yeah. Oh, is that it then? Get that off there. Oh, that'll do then. So what do you think? We'll have to have it just like that. Go on, put a stronger piece in. What's that? I don't know. It looks a bit. Well, it's there. We've done a bit. Now what shall we do? Well, let's put some. We put some footings in there. Get footings in. Right. Get some. What's that? Yellow ochre. Does that do like that? Yeah, that's it. That's enough. What else? What colour else do we want? Blue. Put some blue in that, brown or whatever. And that's enough. Now, what do we want there? Just some lumps of stuff. Burnt umber. Oh no, some more strength in it. Yeah, I've got there for that. Now let's have some light red. Now some blue, or some yellow, or blue, cobalt and a bit of lemon. Yeah. That's a tree there, isn't it, from that? Right. What shall we have now? Oh, we need it. I'll tell you what, this is a red, cad red for a roof here. About here. Just put the chimney anywhere, yeah? Red here. So that's another one over here. Now a bit of brown. Push in some green. Now let's see what we've got there after the right on the right hand side, shall we? So Van Dyke. Oh, it's on they're not on the right, aren't they? Okay. We're coming to now. Put a fence in. There. Carry it onto here. Now that's the dark side, isn't it, there? So let's have some dark in. This is sepia, I think, this. We've got some sepia tree here. That'll make that into a what's the name of it? No, a bit more red. Cad. Don't do too much, yeah. Now some strong brown. Now put some brown now, and I think if we put some here for these trees, let's put some cad yellow in it, strengthen the brown up. And I think that's it. Now then, I'm just using some Van Dyke. Now, just that a little bit now under a bit of kidology. Just what kiddos. Put a little bit of that. Put these extra bits of, there's other bits of trees sticking up, see. Now that's your painting. Out of that nothing you said you got. Now that wasn't so quick. Was that quick enough for you? So never tell me you haven't got paint. You found something.